So we're on shit, dog. Don't bite my toes. Anyways, we're out on location in the living room where I've been told I can open up another thing. So I've already taken out of the padded envelope, so there shouldn't be an address on this box. And yeah, we're just on the messy couch here, and I gotta get someone to cut the tape. There's a cat, but I can't use its claws. Shit. Redneck solution. Okay. Well, okay. Fuck using the lamp cord. It's right, knife. Shit. Well, I guess it's tape tearing time. Like I said, I know for a fact this is not the other WR100 that eBay accidentally made me order. So that means this should be either my 247A or my 261. I need to get a knife. We have bubble wrap. And more tape. I'm doing the bubble wrap. It has a screen. And based off of, I think this is the 261. And damn it. Didn't come with an AC adapter. That's okay, we got spares! RCA input, 2 switches, that would be power. I'm guessing that's external alert, I don't know. Does this have a battery compartment? Okay, now I'm starting to doubt myself because it's a 9 volt, but I've seen weirder things. You're on location.